Are you still upset that the space at home is too small and there hasn't enough space to storage? Are you still worried about the irregular methods of storing things? You find it very hard to find items you wanted immediately? Are you still face a dilemma about easy storage and perfect matching appearance of the storage product? China Ihomagic new design storage jewel chest will solve your above troubles totally. It not only greatly improves space utilization but also beautifies your living environment. As our mission said, storage makes easy, clean, and beautiful. When you are choosing a storage jewel chest, what factors will be your consideration? The first may be load bearing. Load bearing depends on its own weight, which is the most basic and very critical point. It will lead to calipers if its weight is too light. The second may be appearance. The color choice of a storage jewel chest itself needs to be coordinated according to the style and tone of your living environment. If the perfect matching done, it will not only improve the living environment but also bring you a good mood. The third factor is the material. In the choice of materials, we should choose waterproof and moisture-proof material, so the storage jewel chest can be used longer, it's durable and in good quality. The advantages of our storage jewel chest. The first, stable structure brings a good load bearing. The second, we can provide customization according to your requirements, such as color, size, and settle. Make the most suitable one for yourself. The third, the material is waterproof and moisture-proof, and make sure this product can be durable and in good quality. This product not only greatly improves your storage space so that you can hold more things in order, but also upgrade your living environment. If you are interested in it, you can contact me. See you.